As we're wrapping up 2022 and heading into 2023, a lot of us are setting up goals. And one goal might be purchasing a new home or purchasing an investment property to start building that generational wealth. This is the 10-step process that I created for you to make the best decision possible when you're thinking about your goal about purchasing or investing in real estate in 2023. Step number 1 is your mindset. Understand why you're trying to accomplish this goal, either purchasing a home or investing in real estate. And this will help you start searching the team that will help you accomplish that goal. Step number 2 is your first teammate. That is your real estate agent. You need to interview as many agents as possible because there's thousands of them out there that will fulfill your goal of buying a house or investing in real estate. So take the time, spend time with the agent, ask them multiple questions about how they can be a service to you to accomplish that goal. 3, your loan officer. Your loan officer is as equally important as your real estate agent. And this side, they're going to be handling the financial side of your loan. Are you going to be approved for conventional, FHA? What kind of down payment are you going to put? What's your interest rate going to be? They can gather up all the document and set you up for success to borrow the money to purchase your home or your investment property. 4, determine how much you could afford. Work with your lender. Just because they approve you for $900,000, it doesn't mean you need to buy a house for $900,000. Figure out monthly payment. That usually helps you out to know that maybe you could afford a house for $3,000. And when you talk to your lender, they might say, hey, if you want a monthly payment of $300 or $3,000, then you need to get approved for $700,000. So determine your budget to be comfortable on the monthly payment. Number 5, shop and make an offer. Very simple. A lot of people make it complicated when they're searching for a house. Think about 3 things. Determine your budget, location, and the style of house you're looking for. Once you find a property that fits those 3 things, guess what? Make an offer. 6, congratulations, your offer was accepted. Now hire an inspector. Inspect the property that you're planning to purchase. Make sure everything is in working order. That is the roof, the electrical, the mechanical, the plumbing. You want to make sure the property you're buying in as good working order as possible. 7 is appraisal. You inspected your house. Guess what? The banks want to do an appraisal. An appraisal is a process where they'll send an appraiser to go look at the house, take pictures, but most importantly, they want to make sure the value of the house that you're buying support the amount that you're going to be borrowing to pay the seller. So they'll do what we call comps, make sure the value will support the borrowing amount, and that's how the appraisal part is done. Number 8, this is the loan approval. This should be an exciting time for you because you are officially approved for your loan. This is the part where the lender is saying, hey, we have your money, you're approved for that amount, and we can pay the seller to close on the house. 9 is signing a lot of paperwork. Guess what? You're approved for the loan, you're finalizing everything. The lender is going to send the document to the escrow company, which will help you sign all the paperwork, get it notarized, so that home is officially yours. Last but not least, number 10, fun times. You are closed. If this is your home, this is your first time buying a home, this is an excitement time. You get the key to your home. You can move in, decorate, enjoy that home. If you're buying an investment property, this is an exciting time because this is your first investment property. This is generational wealth in the process. You get to learn how to get the property tenant ready and get it rented out. Well, that's the 10th step. Remember, as you head into 2023, remember these 10 steps as the cornerstone of your goal of purchasing a home or investment. I created these goals for my clients that way I can manage the process with them to accomplish that main thing, which is the goal of home ownership. Well, that's a wrap. That is the process. If you have any question at all, feel free to reach out to me, comment below. I'll be happy to help. And remember, all this information that I'm sharing with is to think about generational wealth to help you achieve that big picture of wealth through real estate and building it. And it all starts with this process that I talked about.